Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Shastra and Vaishya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we'll deal regarding the topic of the ointments. So in the last session, we have dealt regarding the types of the ointments, and today deal regarding the ointment bases. So come to the bases. So base is the chief ingredients of the preparation. So it is the vehicle for the medicinal drugs impregnate in it, and this provides the desired form and consistency of the preparation. So types like oleaginous base, absorption base, emulsion bases, that is water in oil and oil in water, and water soluble or water miscible base. So coming to the oleaginous base, so these bases are fats, fixed oils, hydrocarbon or silicones. So they are anhydrous, greasy, non-washable, does not absorb water, and occlusive. They should not be applied in infected skin, and they are used as protectants, emollients, vehicle for the hydrolyzable drugs. And examples: petrolatum white ointment. Next, absorption base. So oleaginous base, water in oil, along with the water in oil surfactant. So anhydrous but hydrophilic ointment bases. They can absorb several times their weight of water to form a water in oil emulsion, and they are non-washable and not water soluble, and they used as protectants, emollients, and vehicles for aqueous solution, solids, and non-hydrosoluble drugs. Example: hydrophilic petrolatum. Next, water in oil emulsion base. So these are anhydrous, hydrophilic, absorbs water and non-water removable, and with low thermal conductivity and occlusive. And they have the same properties as the absorption bases. They are used as emollients, cleansing creams, vehicles for solid, liquid, or non-hydrolyzable drugs. Example: cool cream, Tide. Next, oil in water emulsion base. So these bases are anhydrous, water soluble, absorb water, and water washable. They are either carbowaxes, polyethylene glycols, or hydrated gums, and they are used as drug vehicle. Example: PEG ointments. Next, water soluble base. These bases are anhydrous, water soluble, absorb water, and water washable, and they are either carbowaxes, polyethylene glycols, and hydrated gums, and they are used as drug vehicles and PEG ointment. Next, ideal ointment base and compatibility with skin secretions, and they are dehydrating, they are non-greasy, neutral in reaction, visibility with skin secretion and serum, and freedom from irritant effects, and efficient release of medicament at the site of application. And they should be washable, and minimum number of ingredients should be present, and easy for the compounding. Next, preparation of the ointment. Four methods: trituration method, fusion method, chemical reaction method, and emulsification method. So coming to the packing. So prepare the ointment. Select an ointment jar that will just hold all the formulation, and begin by taking some ointment and fill the bottom of the ointment jar. Use the spatula to put ointment into the crevices. Continue adding ointment to the jar, again using the spatula to put the ointment along the sides of the jar. As you fill the jar, stab the spatula into the ointment a couple of times. This will reveal air pockets that may have formed. Put the spatula halfway across the filled jar and tilt it slightly. Rotate the jar, and this is make a professional looking finish on the top of the ointment. Wipe off ointment from the threads of the jar and cap the ointment jar. Next, storage and dispensing. Ointment should be stored in tightly closed and completely filled containers, and Changes in temperature can lead to the crystallization of the drug and to the changes in the ointment base, and they are usually dispensed in jars of glass or plastic material or in collapsible tubes. A sterile ointment must be dispensed in tubes or single-dose units in order to protect the product against contamination during use. And with the tin tubes, there is a risk of corrosion with the hydrophilic ointments. So this is regarding today's topic, ointments. So if you have any queries, please mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.